Good morning to everyone. Today we will read a new chapter of English Reader, chapter number 5. The chapter name is The Giant Mouse. We must do something about the tawny cat. These little mouse are talking about they should do something about the tawny cat. Tawny means brown and yellow cat. Okay. You can see the cat color is brown and yellow. Quickly, the mice ran away into the bushes before the cat could catch them. Quickly means suddenly. What happened? Before the cat will catch the mice, all the mice are gone away into the bushes. He is everywhere. This mouse is telling or talking to other mouse that he is everywhere. He is everywhere. It's bad in the garden. We want to eat picnic food, but the cat gobbles up everything he sees. Okay, means it's bad in the garden, means everywhere he is in the garden. Okay, wherever the mice gone, the cat catches them, want to catch them and chase them. We want to eat picnic food. That mice, what they are discussing, that they want to eat the picnic food. Picnic food means food that you pack and take with you to eat outside. Okay, in outside of the home, if you're taking something to eat in the outside, that food is called picnic food. Okay, so the mice want to eat the picnic food, but the cat gobbles up everything he sees. Gobbles up means eats quickly and greedily. Okay, means whatever the mice wanted to eat, before the mice eating anything, the cat came there and suddenly he eats everything. Okay, we can't get into the kitchen and eat the cakes, crumbs and biscuits. Okay, this mice is talking to the other mice that they can't go to the kitchen. Okay, because the cat was already there and they can't eat the cat's crumbs and biscuit also. Okay, cat's crumbs means, sorry, cake's crumbs means small pieces of cake. Okay, small pieces of cakes is cake's crumb and biscuits. So they wanted to eat cakes, crumbs and biscuit, but before they go into the kitchen, the cat was already there. Listen, he will gobble up too. Be careful. Okay, this birdie is telling that listen, the cat again gobble up means again he will come and eat everything very quickly. So be careful. Okay, he is telling to the other mice. The birds is right. We must do something soon. Okay, all the mice is telling that yes, the bird is saying right. Okay, and we have to do something to get rid of and get, means हमें बचना है उस what उस cat से. Then just then a large round thing passed over. Okay, means when they are talking, when the birdie telling to them to be careful, on that time something passed over from their head. Okay, passed overhead means moved high above the head, means सर के ऊपर से कुछ move करके जाना. Don't worry, it's only a hot air balloon. This mice said, don't worry, it's only a hot air balloon. Okay. In the next few minutes, giant balloons of all shapes and sizes floated across the sky. Okay, in next few minutes, after some few minutes, what happened? Giant balloons, giant means very big balloons of all shapes and sizes floated across the sky. Okay, सारे shapes and सारे sizes के balloons float करने लगे across the sky, on the sky. Float means moved slowly through the air. Okay, all the balloons are moving slowly through the air. Okay, aren't they beautiful? Okay, the one mice said these are looking very beautiful. They are, yes. One mice said yes, they are looking beautiful and they have given me a great idea. Okay, the mice said yes, they are very beautiful and they given me one idea also. What is the idea? I need 6 strong mice right away. We are going to buy balloons. Okay, this mice who had an idea about that, he said that I need 6 strong mice. Okay, 6 strong mice he need right away, means right now we are going to buy a balloon. Okay, they decided that they will buy a balloon, means this hot air balloon. The cat was fast asleep. Fast asleep means in a deep sleep. Okay, the cat was in a very deep sleep. He was snoring in the warm sun. Snoring means making a noise with the nose or mouth while sleeping. Means when we are on sleeping, one sound and one noise came from our mouth or from our nose. Okay, that sound is called snoring. So he was snoring on the warm sun, means the thorny cat. He did not notice the balloon as they floated by. Okay, means because when the balloons was floated, he was asleep, fast asleep on that time, in a very deep sleep. So he did not notice what is floating over his head. After some time, the 7 mice came back with a large parcel and a huge ball of thread. They began to open the parcel. Okay, after some time, they decided to buy a huge balloon. Okay, so after some time, the mice came up back with a large parcel. Parcel means, it is written here, something that is wrapped in a paper so that it can be carried or sent to a place. Means anything which is covered or wrapped with a paper or whatever they means, we have to save anything whatever we want to send to one place to another place. Okay, so that thing is called parcel. So they came with a large parcel and a huge ball of thread. This is a parcel and this is a huge ball of thread. They begin to open the parcel. Okay, they begin to started to open the parcel. Let's start pumping. Okay, let's start pumping. Pumping means feeling air into the balloon. Okay, means when we feel air into the balloon, that process is called pumping. Okay, what is it? Means this they did not know. Only one mice is known about that, what his idea is about. Okay, they buy a huge ball, what, a huge balloon. Okay, so after some time, it's a special balloon. It will scare the wicked cat. Okay, the mice, who is having an idea about that. Okay, he ordered what, he buy a huge mice. Okay, huge mice balloon, air balloon. Okay, it is very huge that it will scare the wicked cat. Okay, oh, it's a giant mouse and it's bigger than that tawny cat. Okay, so they already know that it's a giant mouse, it's a very huge mouse, and it will bigger than that tawny cat. Okay, obviously because it is a very huge balloon and the cat is very small, so it will scare the cat. Okay, the giant mouse balloon slowly rose into the air. Okay, slowly rose means the giant mouse धीरे धीरे क्या वो air में go to the through the air. Okay, the cat was still asleep. On that time, the cat was still asleep. Still he was in deep sleep. He was sleeping. The tawny cat lazily opened one eye. Okay, the tawny cat, what happened? She lazily opened one eye slowly. The great balloon give him a fright. Okay, the great balloon, the big balloon of mice give him a fright. Give him a fright means made him very afraid, scared him very much. Okay, means he was very scared to see that big huge mice. The cat was he jumped with all 4 pawns into the air. You can see he jumped all over into the pond. Okay, because he was very scared. I will never again chase mice. Okay, the cat was thought that he will never again chase mice. Chase means run after. Okay, means he decided that he will never run after any mice. How the mice cheered and cheered. At last they were safe. How the mice cheered and cheered means shouted loudly because they were very happy. Okay, they were cheered because they were happy, and they are means there is no any tawny cat who can wanted to eat that mice. Okay, at last they were safe because the cat was already gone because of the scared of that big giant balloon. Okay,